Keep on course, QM.
Aye, aye, sir.
You sent for me, sir?
Ah, yes, Chippy. The temperature's dropping. We don't want to freeze up in the fresh water tanks, so keep an eye on them, will you?
Aye, aye, sir.
Thank you.
It's getting jolly cold. You're warm enough, darling.
Let's go back. We ought not to be here anyway. This is first class.
They're welcome to it on a night like this. Come on.
Evening, Mr. Lightoller.
Good evening, sir.
Any more ice reports?
No, sir.
What's the temperature like?
It's almost freezing point, sir, and still dropping. In an hour or so, we'll be in the Labrador Current.
Well, the weather looks clear enough so far. If there's the slightest bit of haze, we shall have to slow down. Let me know at once if you're doubtful.
Aye, aye, sir. Mr. Moody?
Sir.
Call up the lookouts and tell them to keep their eyes skinned for small ice and growlers. There might be some of that about. Make sure they understand.
Aye, aye, sir.
And tell them to pass it on when they're relieved.
Yes, sir.